Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing Resident Evil 4 Part 6. We have Ashley here with us. Does my hand disappear when I... Oh, my hand and gun disappears. That's cool. Okay. So, you will stay with me. Oh, this was the other door I was trying to get in. I think. Oh, that is a lot of people. I can't... Wait. I think I saw, like... something. Are those... Yeah, that's what I saw. Are those explosive barrels on there? Yo! Let's go! Let's try to set one on fire. Oh no. Oh no. At least we got him on fire. But that one, okay. Ashley, I am actually scared. It's pretty dark. Okay. Snake. No snake. And here. Okay. Come on, Ashley. A spinel. Okay, I can sell that to the merchant. I'm meeting my merchant friend. Ashley. Don't be weird, Ashley. He flashes me a lot, but who cares? He's a good man. A good man. Okay, can you stop doing that with doors? There's like zombie creatures out there. Okay. Merchant. What do you have to offer me? Okay. We can sell the spinels. There's new things to buy, yes. Oh, Red 9. The firepower is high on that. Yeah, I'm gonna sell my handgun. Yeah, after I buy this. I'm gonna sell my previous handgun. Yep. Bye-bye. It only sold 900 more than that one. Okay, bye, merchant. Bye, merchant. Wait, no. You might as well tune it up. Since we have it. Shot delay, yeah. I'm committing to the Red 9. For now. Capacity 10. Shot delay on my previous gun. Clean. I'm stupid. But the shot delay on my previous gun was pretty bad. It was pretty slow. And I upgraded that thing kind of a lot. Let's put that up there. Yeah. Ashley, come on. Oh. Wait a second. Yeah. I want to see what happens if you shoot the light. Okay. Let's add this. Yeah. Mixed herbs. That looks so cool. Okay. I want to see what happens. I didn't expect anything to happen, but oh well. No, I don't. You might as well reload. Oh, there's another light. There's another light. I need you to not stand where the fire's gonna be. Okay. Now, come. Stay right there. Okay. Ooh, spinel. Nothing in the box. Let's save real quick. Okay, 9 shots. You, the only one out here. Okay. Something's gonna pop out your head? No, you did leave some money. 3 headshots, you're out, bro. I literally just used the phrase by accident from my new song. And yes, they did add, and yes, YouTube did add 3 minutes YouTube shorts. Oh my god, you just snuck up on me. Bro, you were in the bear trap. Okay. Oh my god. I feel like someone's behind me. I don't think there's actually anyone behind me. Because I haven't get harassed. Oh no, there was actually someone. Holy. Okay, I'm gonna talk super loud because it's gonna start getting loud. I will, yeah, don't step on the bear traps. Especially over here in the farm. Hey. This kind of reminds me like you in a way. Like, hide? Oh, you hide. Oh. So stupid. Oh my god. Okay. Let's just kill these people. I like games when there's like music that indicates when people are not around you anymore. I like those kind of games. Just die. I want him to go on fire. Oh my god. Nice throw arm. I wasn't gonna make a joke. Just don't unsubscribe, please. I got so many subscribers because of the if you say banana video. It sounds like you're singing it. I hit 100,000 views on that. Please, get me to. Oh, get me to 2,000 subscribers. We're gonna have some business. Just want to die. Oh, he has alien. He's an alien. I think that's everyone. Is that everyone? Yep. That's everyone. Now just come over here. Yeah. There was an opening right there. You didn't have to waste 5 seconds going over that fence. Okay? Okay? There's something there. I want to get it. I want to get it. Don't mind me just looting the place. Get it, you stupid moron. Okay. Okay. And jump down. Do I want to jump down there? No, I did not. I am actually so stupid.
Where are you going, Leon?
Oh, shut up. I'm getting back to where you are. Okay. Let's... catch. Okay. That's a lot of bear traps. Okay. Piggyback. What? Oh. I thought we were, like, going to piggyback. Oh.
I opened it, Leon.
Thank you. Okay. I like this. Is this the same bridge that... Wait.
Welcome.
I think that's the same bridge that broke down at the beginning
Got a
of the game.
selection of good things. What are you selling?
I think I have a spinel to sell to you. Yep.
Is that all? Thank you. Selling.
Not sell. Ugh.
What
Buy.
are you
No.
buying?
Tune up.
What are you buying?
I can't tune. I can't tune that up. I can tune this up.
Is that all, stranger?
Let's tune up the firepower a bit.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, merchant man. I will come back. Oh, Hunnigan.
Leon, I have some bad news.
I'd rather not hear it.
Well, I'm afraid I have to tell you anyway. We've lost contact with the chopper. Someone must have shot it down, though we can't determine who.
Great.
We're prepping another chopper for you. Meanwhile, I want you to head towards the extraction point.
Got it.
Okay. Oh, I like that. I like this. Are those, stairs from the beginning of the game? Okay. Oh, no.
What are we gonna do, Leon?
Hate to say it, but we're sandwiched, all right.
That's...
Quick, in that cabin.
Okay. Okay. Nice. We're probably gonna awoke.
Leon.
Louis?
World, eh?
Who are you?
Oh, excuse me, Your Highness. Perhaps the young lady might want to introduce herself first before asking someone his name.
Her name's Ashley Graham, the president's daughter.
Is she... well, you know...
Don't worry. She's cool.
What do you mean by that?
Never mind. There's supposed to be some kind of obvious symptom before you turn into one of them anyway.
Look,
Ashley, upstairs.
Okay. Upstairs.
Okay, it's game time.
Okay, Lewis. Let me loot the place. Yeah, let's barricade these windows and knife that one open. That's bad, guys. Okay. I'll loot everything upstairs, Lewis. Don't let me down, Lewis. Grenade. Okay. Okay. Is this what it's like being being Lewis? No, Lewis has all the upgrades on the gun. Oh no. What are you shooting at, Lewis? Okay. Oh. Yep. So if he shoots and you're in front of the gun, it won't take away damage. Why? This is our best entry point. Just their only entry point. Get upstairs, Lewis. There's the ladder. I might die. Let's push that down. Oh no. I have a good feeling I'm about to die. No. Pew pew and pew. No head. Oh my god. Welcome. Holy shit.
Leon, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, Bruce. Oh my god. They're oh my god. Let's mix these three. He'll be fine without me. Yeah. Herb. Let's use an egg. And yeah, let's use flash grenades. That's what flash grenades are for. I missed 3 shots on that guy, bro. Here. Yeah, you're telling me. Get off, Lewis. Oh my god. I'm getting harassed. Especially Lewis. God. That was brutal. Let's use that. And I'm gonna use the grenade. Okay. Let's use that. Bro, Lewis is just popping in the corner. Oh, there, get it. Holy. Oh my god. Oh, is it over?
Looks like they're backing off.
So, what do we do now?
The bridge I crossed to get here's out. So I guess we have no choice but to keep moving.
I forgot something. You guys go on ahead.
Lewis.
Okay. Chapter 2. End of chapter 2, 3. Okay. Next. Let's save real quick. Oh yeah, by the way, where were you, Ashley? There's like no closets in here. Where were you? Okay. Let's just loot everything that the people dropped. Were you hiding in here? Yeah. Just making sure no one climbs the ladder. Oh, there is a lot of things out here. Oh my god, it's like I was meant to have all this. Let's get that. Merchant, you have all the guns. You can help about anything, especially you have a rocket launcher. Okay.
Welcome.
Don't show me that ever again.
What are you buying?
I still can't tune up the Red 9. I'm gonna have to go save. I'm sorry, Merchant. Okay. Ashley. Merchant. Bye. What are these gates for? Could this be a mechanism to open the gates? Okay. This just got 10 times creepier. Should we go this way? I want to go the other way. Yeah. I had to cut the video for a second, but I am not going in there. It looks too creepy. I don't care if this side's more creepier or not. I'm still going over here. Bye-bye. Whatever that creepiness over there is. Tagando Stronghold. Ahí está. I think this game takes place in Spain or something. Spain, I think. Yeah. These people are stupid. Yeah. I'm in danger. I've 2 healing resources. I can increase her max health. No. She's not really dying, so sorry, Ashley. I'm not really sorry. Oh. Oh my. Okay, TMP. You're not really helping. You're kind of helping. Because your firepower only went up 0.0. 0.0, yeah. The old Red 9. I should have shot that. Pew. Okay. Took care of that, and as soon as bro gets up, bro dies. Okay. Yeah, it's accurate. Didn't want to shoot though. Oh, more people. More people. Okay, no one else is gonna try and kill me. So I think we are fine. Where are we supposed to go? That door's locked. I actually have no idea where to go. It's entered, not entered. Stronghold. I don't know. I actually do not know. That's stupid. Bro, I'm too old to say that. That's like preschool. I do not know what we're supposed to do and where we're supposed to go. Ashley, you are going to come over here and hide in this one, because you're gonna experience some fun. Let's go down here. Where do we go? I am actually so confused right now. There has to be a reason for those tracks. Or maybe it must just be for show. Okay. Can I crawl under there? No. What is that through there? I don't know. Where? Huh? There must be a reason for those 2 towers to be over there. But there has to be a bridge or something, or a ladder. But there's no ladder right there. I can't do anything with that. There has to be a reason for, like, those 2 towers to be there. Unless it's for show. I mean, there is platforms on it, so why would it not be for show? There has to be a reason for that. To be there. The dumpster. I just don't know. Oh, I miss him. Is there a ladder right here or something? So I can, like, climb up this tower? I don't know, so I'm gonna look it up. I'll be right back. Bro, I am literally the world's stupidest person ever. Because all I had to do was say bye-bye to this ladder and then jump down from here. And then... Duh. Stupid. And I actually didn't expect to chainsaw people. Let's go up here. Let's knock this down. Oh my god. Okay. Let's knock... I thought I knocked this down. Okay. Oh my god. Dude. Why is there only, there's only 2 women we fight? It's the big back woman and the skinny and this one. Let's just knock that over. Die already. You're finally dead. Get down. Oh my god. Ugh. Our last healing resource. Okay. Let's use that because I'm about to die. Now, I don't have any more healing, but I might get healing from some people. But I exploded you. Broski's immune to a gun, but not a grenade. Just grab the camp key. Green herb. Yes. Healing, finally. Grab that. Oh, ruby. Of course, I'll take. Yep. I just killed you. Okay. Come on, me. Let's just turn that. Stop doing that with doors. I already told you. As soon as we started the video. Let's just do some looting. Let's do some... Yep. Her iconic move. when she opens doors. Everyone knows that move. A red gem? What's that for? Alright, let's go down here. And do we go this way? Or is that just like handy? No, I didn't want to catch you. I wanted to climb up. Don't press buttons too early. Listen, learned. Can I get out of here? We have to go back through the window. Yay. Yep. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Grab the gun, you stupid moron. Okay. I have one healing resource. Oh God. Give me the grenade. What?
No.
Did I blow up Ashley? I think I blew up Ashley. Oh my God. Ashley, we're not looting the place. All we're doing is looting this, and you're hiding in that damn dumpster. Let's use that incendiary grenades. You hide in there. Yep. Got hit from the fire a little too. Ah, you missed. You missed. Loser. You walked in the fire. You walked in the fire. Bro, like, why in this place? Why does there have to be every single... Why does everyone have to be a girl here? There's like 2 boys. Okay, yeah, I'm about to die. Who's that guy? I have 1 healing item. Okay. Let's use my last fire grenade. These guys. Now let's kill you. Oh, finally. You son of a... Get that red herb. Oh my God. That was so crazy. I'm scared there's more people. They might hear my whistle. No. Yeah. Let's... Handgun ammo. Yes. Nothing, Ashley. It's a village getting gondola? Yeah. Oh, boy. Hey, merchant. I'll be with you in a second. I'll check on that in a second. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna definitely save. Yeah, we're gonna save after the merchant. Then we're gonna check what that door is about.
Got a selection of... What are you selling? Is that all?
Yeah. I don't have a rifle. Let's sell that.
Thank you. What are you selling?
Oh,
What are you buying?
nothing new to buy.
What are you
Tune up.
buying?
Still can't tune up the Red 9, damn.
Is that all, stranger?
Firepower.
Thank you.
Dang.
Come back anytime.
I will come back to any time. Ashley, come along. Let me save. Come. Ashley. Hey. Ashley, don't jump scare me in the darkness, please. At least you didn't slam the door open like you always do. Oh, you did it that time. I'm fine with it. That's where we came from. Let's check what this door is all about. It won't open. I guess this is the only way out of the village. This light looks retinal scanning. You need someone's eyeball? We'll find someone's eyeball, or find someone to put their eyeball in front of it. Oh, phew. We're gonna leave this for another video, but consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and with that being said, we out.